The design language of the sneaker seems to pay homage to the Star Wars villain with striking details and a dark, powerful aesthetic. The toe box and tongue feature a bold red line running through them, immediately evoking the image of Vader's glowing red lightsaber. Additional red accents can be found on the eyelets, swoosh logos, tongue branding, and outsole, further enhancing the theme of danger and strength. The rest of the shoe is outfitted in black, mirroring the sleek, armored look of Darth Vader's suit and helmet. The Nike Air Max Plus Black and Red, unofficially dubbed the Darth Vader colorway, balances aggression and stealth in its visual presentation. Though not labeled as a Star Wars collab, fans of both the franchise and the Air Max line will likely appreciate the subtle nods. This striking version is scheduled to launch in Japan on June 13, but Nike has not yet confirmed a global release date. The retail price is $180.